Ready to put your testers to the ultimate challenge? Today, I'll walk you through the process of finding and installing an application riddled with issues, thoroughly testing it to uncover hidden bugs, assigning the task to your testers, and evaluating their performance. Get ready to sharpen your testing skills and see who truly excels. Our journey begins by hunting down an application with some hidden flaws for our testers to uncover. For today's challenge, we've selected JPetStore, a sample app perfect for testing. You can grab it straight from MyBatis GitHub. Prefer a faster setup? No worries! You can also access the Docker image from the QAInsights GitHub repository. Whether you choose to download the app or spin up the Docker image, get ready to unleash your tester skills and uncover those elusive bugs. Now that we've got our application, it's time to bring it to life online. The next step is to install and launch JPetStore so it's accessible for testing. We'll be using Kamatera cloud solutions to easily run the application. But don't stress. Whether you prefer another cloud provider or want to host it yourself, the choice is yours. Let's get this app up and running. Follow these steps to set up your server on Kamatera. Log into your Kamatera account and head over to the Servers section. Create a new server and pick your desired server zone. From the Service Images tab, select Docker and then choose Ubuntu as your server base. Now, let's configure the server to meet our needs. Choose the type, set the number of CPUs, decide on the RAM size, and pick the SSD disk size. Set up your password and give your server a memorable name. Finally, select your preferred billing cycle, hourly or monthly, and confirm the server creation. Once that's done, Kamatera will execute the creation task. When it's finished, check the public internet IP, connection type, and username to make sure everything's good to go. Your server is now ready for action. Once Kamatera completes the setup, here's what to do next. Log in via SSH to your new server. Pull the JPetStore Docker image from QAInsights. Run the container on a specific port, like 8080. Finally, check the website to ensure the application is up and running. Congratulations! Your testing playground is now live and ready for action. Now, roll up your sleeves and start testing the application yourself. Take notes and record every issue you encounter. This will be crucial when it comes time to evaluate the tester's results. By creating this preliminary bug list, you'll have a solid foundation to assess how well your testers identify and report issues. With your server live and the application running, you're now ready to assign the task to your testers. Here's how to proceed. Assign the testing task to your testers, giving them a specific time limit to thoroughly explore the application and find bugs. This time frame will help you gauge their efficiency and effectiveness. Before they begin, make sure to provide clear instructions on what is expected so they know exactly what to look for and how to report their findings. As you review their work, you'll be able to evaluate their ability to quickly identify and document problems based on the preliminary bug list you created. Once testing is complete, it's time for the final step, evaluating the results. Sit down with the tester and review all the findings they reported. Discuss each bug they identified, how they described it, and any areas where their reporting could be improved. This evaluation is crucial for understanding the tester's analytical skills and problem-solving approach. It's your opportunity to see how well they perform under pressure and how effectively they communicate their findings. By following this guide, you've taken the first step in mastering the art of evaluating testers. I hope this walkthrough has empowered you to effectively test the skills of your team. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments. and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and insights.